I'm sure if maybe you missed it, that I had a question hour last week in the House of Parliament where this was thoroughly explained. The members of Parliament had no more questions. GB representatives went out and gave an explanation as well. It's a glitch in the system, especially coming from that world. I know that those things can happen. And it's not about avoiding it happening, it's about the corrective measures that you take to correct the situation, which I believe that they have been doing. So I would urge the general public, if there's still any unclarity, any discrepancies, to follow up with GB as they would do normally. Because I've known situations where in the past, on a regular day, somebody received an erroneous bill, and those things are addressed. So it's not abnormal. What is abnormal is that it was closed for so long and it came out as sort of a shock. So that is the thing, that the reality that persons are dealing with. Well, like I also, while on the GB matter, I just want to mention that the streetlight repair and placement program started back officially last night. Just to give an indication, we start with the Point Blanche, Oyster Pond, Over the Bank, Guana Bay, Hope Estate, Sucker Garden, Madam Estate, Middle Region, Dutch Quarter, Defiance, Belvedere, Phillipsburg, and I mentioned Over the Bank and also Over the Pond. Those are this is Zone 1 that will get the first attention, and then we'll go to Zone 2 and Zone 3. And I'll keep the members of the media up to date as we progress, and also the general public.